How to connect your Wattpad account with your Facebook. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect your Wattpad account with your Facebook account easy and fast. So all what you have to do, go to Wattpad. This is the home page as you can see. Now go to the top corner and click on your profile picture. After you click on it, now go to the top corner again and click on this little icon. Now choose the first option, account settings, and go down until you find the Facebook option right here and click on it, and you will be able to connect your Facebook account with your Wattpad easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end.